Okay, so to finish our addition section before we move on to subtraction, it wants us to find the perimeter of the triangle. So remember, perimeter is everything that is on the outside of the triangle. So you want to stack up, because we're doing addition. Well, we would stack up to do subtraction as well. So 66.04 plus 60.96 plus 25. 25.4. I'm going to add that 0 at the end. So we know that 6 plus 4 is 10. 9 plus 4 plus 1 is 5. So 9 plus 5 is 13. I'm sorry, 14. 9 plus 5 is 14. I forgot to add that 1. So we have 14. Carry that 1. 6 plus 6, because we have this one up here, would be 12. Carry that 1. Bring down the decimal point. And then we have 6 plus 6 again, which is 12. Plus 2 is 14. Plus 1 is 15. So we're left with 52.40. All right, so moving on to subtraction. So again, when we're subtracting decimals, we're going to do the same thing as when we're adding. We're going to stack them up first and then subtract just like we normally would whole numbers. So here we have 5.508 minus 3.174. So here we're just going to subtract like we normally would. 8 minus 4 is 4. We can't subtract 0 minus 7, so we need to borrow from the 5. This turns into a 4, and then we have 10. So 10 minus 7 is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. Bring down that decimal point, and then 5 minus 3 is 2. So we're left with 2.334. All right, moving on to B. Again, stack up 21.9. Minus, I'm going to put this decimal point first so we know how to line up our numbers. Minus 1.605. I'm again add in these zeros to make sure we have the same decimal place. So 0 minus 5 we can't do. So we want to borrow, which we can't borrow from that 0. So we want to borrow from a 9. This turns into an 8. This will turn into a 9, and this will be a 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 0 is 9, 8 minus 6 is 2. Bring that down that decimal point. 1 minus 1 is 0, and 2 is 2. So we're left with 20.295.